What up, Tink? What up, CT? Oh, getting this going. I didn't get in on poke. Oh, we had like 30 something people join, and I had to show them all how to play poker. Yo, what up? I had to show Sean how you play poker. That's what happened. I had to give some lessons to everybody, show them how it's done, and then eliminate one guy after another. That's how poker went. Dude, they still haven't given you the account. It's kind of wild that they didn't give it to you yet. Yo, I don't know who Kiki or Maddie is, but I owe them accounts and I owe Speed Racer an account. And I think somebody else, but no, everybody just like left. Everybody just left. I was like, what happened? What up, Waldo? But yeah, when I see Speed Racer today, I'm going to be sure to tell them about it. Honestly, we come back down, I'm getting back in. Come back in. Oh, I think this is going to go all the way back up. Just a bad. I mean, I was in it, but just such a bad entry. I truly believe we're coming back up. I'm going to wait for a dip. A little Dippy McDipperson. Yo, what up, Flip? What up, Prophet P? Oh, jeez. He's going to talk today? Yo, what up, Maria? Yeah, long weekend got me. I hope everyone had a good weekend. I got caught up wanting to trade too early today. Yo, poker was fun. I'm gonna run poker again. I need to get a hold of Speed Racer, Matt, Kiki. Yo, who was the other person? There was somebody else. Oh, and Husk. I got to hold the Husk though, I think. You overslept, dude. I could have showed you how to play poker, Flip. Could have given you the poker tips. Yeah. No, I know that, Stone. He hasn't emailed me back, though. I emailed him. Nobody emails me back. Dude, I got some ground to make up. What up, Kron? Dude, nobody's claiming him. I don't understand. What up, Luca? Discipline's up in here. Yeah, I just don't understand why nobody claims him. I got some ground to cover. I got some ground to make up. I was looking for a dip. So why I like this on the higher time frames. We just swept right here. We just swept these lows from the 10th. I liked it. Now I'm going to see if we trade up into this fair value gap and reject. Throw them in the duck race today. Yo, if they don't claim it by Friday, I'm gonna do something. What up, Kaba? I don't understand why people just. I have a feeling Kiki's not claiming it. Speed Racer will claim it because he's going to come in here. Kiki and Matty Matt may not claim it. I can't believe this just went without me. Well, I got a little bit, but not. Oh, man. Dude, another losing day. Yo, did he rage quit and then tell everybody to like his stream and then rage quit? I've heard him rage quitting the stream, which is fucking hysterical. Where? Oh, yo, Speed Racer, you played poker this weekend, right? That was you playing poker? Yo, what up, Paul? Yo, but there's a couple racers in here. Dell. There's like two racers in here. Or one's speed, one's racer. There's another one that has a similar name. Did you play poker this weekend or no? Oh, yeah? Yo, you weren't on the bubble. You won an account. Send me an email. Fucking loser. Loser. Dude, just fucking trade and have fun with the guys on the stream.
Order filled.
I want to see if it holds the right. Nope, not holding. Hold the 34, or are we selling on through? If we're going back up, I would probably say we're going to hold here. If they're going to sell this through, probably see much lower. Yeah, man, I was trying to get a hold of you in the Discord. I don't know what your Discord name is. Everyone's got different names.
Order filled.
That's no bueno. Sold through? Yep. Yo, what up, BK? But yeah, shoot me an email. You won. If anybody knows who Kiki or Maddie Matt is, tell them to shoot me an email. What up, Jay Fiska? Because they all want accounts. I'm not having a great day today. I could turn it around. I accidentally pre-market I was in. I thought I was in micros and I had 3. So I clicked it 3 times thinking I was going to get into 9 micros. Instead, I got into 9 minis and I blew my account. I blew 3 accounts. It happens. It happens, people. Keep taking baby oil gains? Probably because the Diddy trial's coming close. Bro, everyone's talking about that. May. Dude, I thought it was May 5th. Yo, Mama Tick in the house. All right, I'll handle it when I get off the stream, Razor. Yeah, all good, man. I was trying to hunt everybody down this weekend to get a hold of everybody. I would keep testing. I would keep paper trading. Okay, keep paper trading and see what happens. That's probably your best bet. You know, if you don't think you're profitable anymore, refine the strategy, go through everything. What up, Akash? What up? What up? I'll tell you what, we had 100 people on the stream this afternoon. I'm going to have a lot of accounts to give away between the poker guys and everything. Dude, poker was fun. We're going to do poker again. Too many guys are trying to get my championship poker belt. So I think we'll do the tournament again, but we'll open it up for like a week ahead of time to get more people. And we'll probably do one of these days coming up. One of these nights, we'll do a night. Yo, how many ghost accounts? Nah. Momo, no investing? Yo, what up, Marco? Poker, dude, poker's fun, man. I watched. So like I was down low the whole time, and I went to the hand history, and I hit two double ups, and that's what pushed the whole run. I went from like 1,100 to like almost 4,000 chips in two hands, and that's what gave me the chip stack to push on forward. You couldn't enter it? Yeah, I mean, you're the one that was. Yeah, Racer, I took it down. I had to show everybody how it's done. Oh, yeah, Sean. We were on voice chat, like, take him out. Take him out. Yo, he was so aggressive. So aggressive. I was with him on the first table, and like right off the bat, he was betting like 200, which works until it doesn't. Then I took it out. I took them all out. But yeah, I got some other rules, like there's no rebuys once you're on the final table. Like we're not going to rebuy anymore on the final table. That's out. I don't know. Man. See, now like we're in a weird spot, kind of like. Are we going to double bottom it right here, which would actually be pretty legit? Yo, CT, jeez.
Order filled.
Sean's throwing you right under the bus.
Order filled.
Oh, fuck, man. Yeah, I mean, I'm looking for kind of a double bottom here. Oh, no. I just realized this account is the one I took money out of, which means my drawdown is fucking tight. I have a tight drawdown. Waiting short. Seems that way.
Order filled.
I'm going to see if they hold. If they hold this area. This is not a great setup, people. Not a great setup. To me, the risk versus reward I'm risking 190 bucks. And I think if they bounce it, they're going to bounce it pretty hard. So it's kind of like the risk reward is just there. But we'll see what happens. We'll obviously see what happens. Am I investing in what am I investing in, Momo? I might need to take this because the account drawdown is low on here.
Order filled.
There we go. I'm starting to turn some of this shit around. Turn it around, boys. Turn it around. Well, if you took it, you're up. If you took it, you're definitely up. I'm setting up my I passed the Top Step account and I had to set up another. I had to set it up. I didn't set it up over the weekend. If you want to invest long term in the Nasdaq, how is that done? I suppose futures is not the way. So there's a lot of ETFs, James. There's some that give dividends. There's definitely some that give dividends. I would do some research. I think Charles Schwab has an ETF. I'm sure JP Morgan has an ETF. And I would consult somebody, consult your financial advisor, do your own research. You know, for legality reasons. I think QQQ gives a dividend also, Caveman, right? What is QQQ? So the Qs give you a it's 0.75%, which isn't much. But there's other let me look. I'm looking. Tomorrow at 11 o'clock. So yeah, I mean, I would just type it in Google. There's a bunch that give dividends, a bunch of ETFs. What up, Jerry? Free Easter Bunny girls? What? Yo. Yo. I think he's using to translate. What's happening tomorrow? I'm going on Top Step TV tomorrow, Sam. I'll be on top. I'm going to stream early, and I got Top Step TV at 11 o'clock Eastern time. Yo, Momo, where's these free free Eastern bunny girls? Yo, I think he's using Google Translate or something. I think he's on Google Translate. It's all good. I like it. Keeps the chat going. The Supercross. This thing looks like it has. Yo, where's these free Easter Bunny girls at? Everyone's getting free Easter Bunny girls. Where are they? I've been getting lots of fun in my feed lately. That's good. I mean, fun is better than no fun, right? Yo, Victor, there was so much backlash and hate last time I was on Top Step. The Top Step people, the Top Step chat, there's a lot of hate in there. They were hating hard. Yo. I don't know, because I heard them talking about me like another day. And they were like, yeah, like all the backlash from Cove on there and Jay. And then Coach Jay was like, wasn't Cove 5 for 5? And they were like, yeah, I don't understand it. Yeah, I was 5 for 5. You would think that they would be, all the people in the chat would be going crazy. This is just an eval, and I'm all in. Yeah, tomorrow at 11 o'clock, Sean. Yep. Bring me all the way up to that fucking volume imbalance. At least I'm growing my X feed naturally with selection. Momo, I have no idea what you're doing. Focusing on Eastern bunnies for sure this week. Yo. Jay said that Smokey's wife likes how he trades. That's all I know. It's just what I heard. That's what Jay said. Oh, I just blew that eval. Dude, it's crazy. I don't know. I'm looking forward to it. I've never done the fast hour or whatever they call it right now. Dude, this thing looks like absolute dog shit. Yeah. Yo, that garage that's falling apart.
Order filled.
Dude, this thing, obviously, I mean, this looks like a head and shoulders, but obviously you can't have a head and shoulders at a bottom of a pattern, but this looks like a fucking head and shoulders. Is it gonna break though? Your trading view is different prices? What? No, mine's the same. I would log out and log back in. Something's obviously up. You are experimental? Momo. What up, Messi? Man, if this breaks, this is going to be a massive move down. Trump is on right now, Sean. What is he talking about? You got the basic version? I would just is that the free version, Wayne? If it's free, you're probably delayed. If you're on a free one, it's probably delayed. If you're not on a free one, I'd log out, log back in. Bro. Yeah, you're on a 10-second delay if it's free. Oh, then you're on it's delayed, Wayne. They're not going to give you real-time data for free. Yeah. Yo. Momo was having barbecued pork yesterday in the park on real grill with coals. Actually, that's pretty cool. What up, Larry? Yeah, it looks like it wants to go down.
Order filled.
I'm just getting chopped. Yeah, Wayne. You could definitely try it, but it will definitely be delayed. Definitely delayed. Oh, you know what, Caveman? You're right. If you connect your prop firm account to TradingView, you'll probably get real-time data. Yeah. Connect, go to the bottom and hit trading panel. Hit trading panel right here. And then connect connect Tradeovate. Oh, it's actually it's behind my thing, but it's right here. Connect Tradeovate, and you might have real-time data. Just an FYI. Yeah. I didn't even think about that. Higher lows? These are all lower.
Order rejected. Order filled.
I think this thing's going to unload. It's It's got to hold right here, though. If you want to play the bounce, you can probably play some bounces. I'm only in a third of his size. Just if I get stopped out, it's not a big deal. The real move is if we break this. Yeah, lower highs. Definitely lower highs. Oh, dude, I didn't even tell people. Dude, they got what do you call it now? For all you guys that trade for anyone that trades starters, this is the first time I think they've done a discount in a while for more than just one account. It's actually 15% off starter accounts at My Funded Futures. Throwing it out there. Yeah. Yeah, Mara, it's going to either break below here, or you're going to break out of this. Kind of break out of this. I mean, it doesn't look great. But if you hold here, if you hold here, this could be really solid. I think too many people are looking for the dump. It feels like everybody's looking for the dump. See what happens. I mean, listen, I want the dump. I'm just telling you, it feels like everybody's fucking in on this dump. I just spoke to Grandma, and she was looking for it to dump too. I'm just looking for a scalp in this account. I was looking to just make some money while we chop. I hope so. Listen, the dump would be the nicest thing.
Order filled.
There you go. Lucky I just got out, but I got filled on fucking this. This might be just the bottom of the. This might be the bottom. I'm thinking about longing it and hold and just as long as we hold 900. I'm toying with the idea of stop at 900. Yeah, it's kind of what I was kind of thinking. What up, Turtle? Not a good day for the Bulls. It looks bad on the 15. It just seems so oversold. I'm not upping this in a bunch of accounts. Like, whatever I got is what I got.
Order filled. Order filled. The market is open.
Wow, that thing just fucking dumped. Oh, man. It's retesting the bottom. It's retesting right here. See what happens. Is that it? Did they just fucking algoed it? Oh, I'm going to blow this fucking account. Yeah, Maria, I'm feeling the no bueno. Come on. Just fucking dump it. Dump it, baby. Yeah, Maria, I'm with you. I would definitely be super, super cautious today. I agree. I agree 1,000%. It's very choppy. It's extremely choppy. Jay Styles, I feel your pain. Oh, fuck me. Yo, you had Trump say something like a little bit a while ago that just shot the market up and then it literally just dropped it. Just dump it, man. Oh. The craziest part is I was in short on this 3-bar reversal. Where were we? 3-bar reversal was up here, and I was in short. And I was like, I don't know. Yeah, should have fucking held that one. I'd be done for the day. I just blew this account. Fuck me. This is an eval. It's about to go bye-bye. I don't know if I'm going to trade any of these funded accounts. That sucks. That's no fucking momentum. That looked so good.
Order filled.
That looks so good to dump. I mean, it's just no continuation. Yo, BK, I'm going for it at the end of the day. I got I'm not trading this account at all until the end of the day. Nah, I got stopped out. I think I blew the account. Done. My stop loss was super tight. It was I only had like $100 of drawdown. I only had $100 of drawdown. Yeah, I don't know if I'm going to trade my. I have 2 pro accounts. I don't know if I'm going to trade. I'm definitely not trading this one to the end of the day, but I might not trade the other one just in case my trade doesn't go great at some point. I have the other one for Tuesday. You know, I'm trying to work on daily payouts here. Let's see what accounts I got that I could I actually have 3. So this sucks, but I have 3 top step accounts, evals that are all close to going over. I'll probably try pushing some of these over at some point today once we start. Yeah. Yeah, BK. That's all I'm going to do. That's it. And why I want 2 is in case one messes up today, tomorrow I can do it again and not have an issue. Is that $1 of drawdown I have in this account? Say goodbye to this account. There's $1 of drawdown.
Order rejected.
I don't know. I hope so. That's crazy. That's fucking crazy.
Order filled.
See what happens. Yo, what up, Trading Star? This yo-yo shit is getting old. You ain't kidding, man. You and me both. You and me both, man. I am tired of this. Let's get some movement. Preferably to the downside. Yo, push it down. Yo, I need the market to be like down. Just give it up. Just give it up. Gold? What's gold doing? Is gold just popping? Damn, gold's up $100 today. Dude, that's wild. Gold's going to be the ultimate short at some point. I mean, it's on a parabolic move. Gold's up like $500 in 10 days. 10, 11, 12 days. Gold's up. Gold's up 15% in a couple days. That's not normal.
Order filled.
Do I lock in day one or let it go? Lock in day one or let it go? What do I do here? Yo, do I lock in day one or let the trade go? What are we doing here, boys? Lock in the day?
Order filled.
Should have messaged in the chat like a minute ago. I didn't lock it in. I didn't lock in the day.
Order filled.
It's all good. I should have just locked it in. Lock it in this time. I hope this is another time, Sean. I hope this is another time. Just in case Trump says something stupid and it just dumps. Come on. Push it. All right, I'm locked in for the day now.
Order filled.
Lock it in, baby. Free shorts. Free shorts. Yo, it's fucking hot in my office. Oh, wow. They just popped that. Dude, that was a 30-point pop. That was a flash 30-point pop. Oh, man. Damn, they just dumping this bitch. This thing's just unloading. Unloading. Dude, I'm so annoyed because I got stopped out so many fucking times short in this area when I knew it was going to go down, and now it's just unloading. And honestly, the real short was to get in here or here. I fucked that up. Anyone taking the pivot point bounce at 819? 819, 820 is a pivot point bounce. Anyone looking for that? I might look for that 820, 819 pivot point bounce. By the way, there's a timer on that. There's only like 4 minutes it's open. Yeah, this thing's going to keep going. 822. Let's see what happens here. I'm going to risk it for the biscuit. Oh, Baba, I did that. I did that in 3 accounts today. I copy traded and blew 3 accounts doing that. I went bigger though. I went 9 instead of 9 micros. I did 9 minis. 9 minis will blow your account real quick. Real quick. Happens. It happens. You know, it'd be nice. A fat old take profit trader payout today. Take profit trader hit me with like $300-400 today would be nice. Yeah, I copy traded him like an idiot. Yeah, I have 2 accounts. I'm saving them. I'm saving them for something special. Where are we on the higher time frames here? Oh, this is no bueno. So I drew this the other day. You guys should look at this. If you know, you know. This we need to get a bounce back to retest this line. And I'm fucking going full blown short, call grandma up on the way down. Maybe retest. I want to go into this fair value gap. Pretty much headed to 17,000. I want to get a bounce though. I think we can get a bounce into this area. Doesn't seem like much, but 200 and something points is a lot of points. And then I think we'll head down. That's my trade plan. Dude, Powell hammering everybody. Dude, this is going lower. This is going. Oh, geez. Yo, Flip. Walking like a penguin the rest of the day? You penguin walking? Dude, this is just crazy. I wonder what happens with Powell. Do you guys think Powell steps down? I wonder if Powell steps down eventually. Because Trump's going to blame all this shit on him, without a doubt. Yo, Flip. Yo, I forgot how many times you changed your name. You go hunting lately, Flip? Yeah, aren't you Ivan? Ivan Austin also? Are you not Ivan Austin? Or I got two no, actually you're not, because I heard your voice on what do you call it? No. Yeah. Well, Ivan is, you know who Ivan is? He's full port for the boys. That's who I got it confused with. Full port for the boys is Ivan Austin. Yeah. He went fucking hunting. He's got like he's got like some Johnny 5 setup that allows him to go hunting. It's freaking wild. He posted a video in the Discord a while ago. Bro, Ray's drinking that Japanese juice right now. He's gone. We've lost Ray. Yo, pour one out for Ray. I don't know where Ray went. Dude, what was that juice? Suju or something like that? Suju got Ray. That was the end. Yeah, I remember flip a zip. Nah, I was confusing you with full port. I thought for a second full port for the boys. Yeah. No, I got it confused. It's probably gonna drop. Flip a zip. Dude, Ray's made some serious money and just never sells. Yo, I can't connect my fucking Bullnox to Ninja Trader. Well, I am officially done with that account, I guess. Check my email. The last email, I sent you the last email, Kaba. I think you got to check your email. Got to check your email. Boom, 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 boom. Come on. Bounce with me. Bounce, bounce. Go up. Go up. Dude, we're down 3%. This shit's crazy. I was hoping we were going to hold the pivot point right here, but did I get blocked? You didn't get blocked? Why do you think you're getting blocked? Shit's going in the sewer. Gonna go hang out with the Ninja Turtles. Bro, this thing is just... It's just dumping. It's just selling out. Oh, geez. Well, for anyone that missed this, just so you don't miss out, I don't know if you trade my funded futures, but they're running 15% off starter plan right now. I only trade starter plans, so 15% off starter plans if you're using if you use my funded futures. It's one of the first times I've seen them do without doing that flash sale. If you don't trade my funded futures, then whatever, but there's no activation fee on that, so it's a pretty good deal. I got 3 funded accounts though, so I really can't get any more accounts with them. Dude, I don't know where they're going to buy, Chad. It looks like the buyers have exited the building. You haven't had a bounce since right here. Dude, long and gold? I mean, you could try going long and gold. Knob. Yeah, I mean, I don't want to force it, Dell. I'm just trying to tell people that my funded futures is definitely worth it. I would say yeah, if you're going to do my funded futures, I always say do the starter. Definitely do the starter. I always say them or Take Profit Trader. Take Profit Trader to me is obviously number one. But if you're not going to do Take Profit Trader, I mean, this deal is pretty fucking good. Come on. Bounce me. No one wanted to buy the top of gold. Yeah. Yo, no one wants to buy when it's going down. You don't think, Knob, in like 2 years, people are gonna be like, yo, why didn't we buy the Trump dip when it dipped to 16,000 or 15,000 or wherever the fuck we end up going? Everybody's gonna be like, oh, I wish I bought that Trump dip. Yo, the best part about Trump is if you hate him, he's providing you a great buying opportunity. And then you're forced to like him. He's giving you the greatest buying opportunity that you can get in the market. You think 11,000 PG? I don't think we're going down 11. $11 seems rough. I mean, these are the times that you want to be buying. I'm not saying right now, but in dips in general, is where you want to be buying. You know, you don't want to be buying at the top, but everybody wants to buy at the top. Now is the time to find companies that you like, that you think over the next 5 years are going to outperform the market. That's where people should be going with this right now. But so if it goes to 11,000, I'm going, like, I don't even know. I'll just start dumping every last nickel I got. Every time I get money, it literally goes straight into the market. They're going to blast this out of here. You're buying, jeez, Dell. Dude, 11 would be crazy. I don't even know what you'd get at. I got 11. Fucking Amazon would be like 180. At 11? Jeez. I gotta trade some of this stuff. Oh. Dude, this has no... This shit doesn't fucking care one bit. I mean, I would DC. I would just keep DCAing. If we go down to 11, I mean, you got to think that revenues aren't dropping. Like Netflix just came out with earnings. Like revenues are not dropping. So it's kind of one of those things that like the ratios would just be fucking stupid. Did they just drop down to get my fucking sell order and now they're bouncing this thing? Yeah, I'll be honest with you. They tweet out a deal struck with China. You might get a 10% up day again. China deal? China deal probably gets us all the way up. That's the big uncertainty, though, is the tariffs, the China shit. Dude, did this just stop me out at the very fucking bottom? Dude, I gotta see what Bullnox is talking about. They said they updated my ticket. Yeah, it is definitely all over uncertainty. That's all this is. Dude, fucking Ninja Trade, not Ninja Trader. Bullnox can't just click on a link. They need me to download the video and send it to them. I mean, it is what it is. I mean, I feel like there has to be some type of small bounce incoming, right? But we just dropped 700 points without any real bounce. Yo, they're asking for feet picks. I mean, all serious. I mean, we just bounced. Not bounced, but like we just dropped 700 fucking points without any bounce. Probably at the next meeting. Was it in June? June meeting, maybe. They definitely I don't know, man. Fed is always slow though. The Fed was slow to raise rates when inflation was going crazy, and now they're slow to cut rates. You know, the Fed is always slow. That's not something new. They're always delayed. So it's just it is what it is. Just got to deal with it. Dude, I might just fucking get out of this. Yeah, nah, exactly. So they're always going to be delayed. The markets are always going to be ahead. It's just the way it is. What up, Paul? I think they're going to cut rates personally. They've already talked about at least what they say 3 rate cuts. JP Morgan was saying that they think they see 3 rate cuts. They're going to have to do something soon. I mean, we start trading into the low 16,000s. Trump is going to put this all on Powell, and the pressure is going to build that he's going to have to cut rates. I mean, he's blaming Powell for everything, which means eventually Powell's going to be out. The old lunchtime bounce. It feels like we are, man. It feels like we are. All right. This trade is for free. This is a free trade. Free longs, baby. Free longs. You think this death influences the market? What do you mean? What do you mean, Dell? Dude, this is just freaking bananas. If we can get over the 34 and over this imbalance, you'd put in a nice little bounce. Oh, that has nothing to do with the markets. Honestly, I think he probably died the day before, and they just made it out to be on Easter anyways. Wouldn't be surprised. No influence. I just moved my stops up just a little bit, just so I can get some money. See what happens. Well, that's all she wrote for that one. Are there any option plays out there? I've just been selling calls, selling puts, building positions that I think will be good for the long term. Yo. All right, I'm going to be back at 2 o'clock. I got to go eat something. And if we get a bounce, I'm going to definitely throw on some QQQ puts. I know nothing about Kroger, to be honest with you, David. Nothing. But all right, I got to go eat. I'll be back in 2 hours. And that's pretty much it. Don't trade at lunch. Portfolio could take a punch. If you want to support the stream, coupon code below. Other than that, we'll do an account giveaway later on, and we'll have some fun. All right? Peace. Oh, my funded future is 15% off. 15% off starter. That's a good deal. Use my coupon code. You can only get 3 though, which sucks. Peace.